attention. I will take just 2 minutes of yours. Ma'am, we young students of JBM are concerned about the whole future on our dear planet Earth. So we have taken one initiative and we would like to tell you about it.
We humbly appeal to one and all to go green, for the green goes and this can be done only if we promote, obey and monitor eco-friendly activities.
Ma'am, this is what we have done to our environment. Floods, earthquakes, tsunamis, tornadoes, and many more.
We appeal to you, ma'am, to adapt this eco-friendly activity, which are mentioned here at the last page. Turn off lights are not in use. Recycle bottles, cans, newspaper at home.
Sir, we have a pledge over here which you can read and sign.
So, do you agree with us?
Yes.
We want you to join our team of Green Ambassador. And ma'am, we want to inform you that first 20 best ideas will be awarded.